Xiaomi 17 Pro, guys, with the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and this is a video camera test. So I'm shooting 4K 60 HEVC. I've disabled the auto camera switching and also auto frame rate, but nevertheless it's bright sunshine, bright day right now, so that's not going to be an issue. All right, so let's try to see how this phone is going to handle skin tone and color, because you know it's a China phone at the moment, so some people are saying that the camera and the processing rather is tuned in a more specific way to handle skin tones optimized. But nevertheless, guys, I don't really care so much about the tuning. I do care about the video quality. So 4K 60, let me start running as I get into a darker area. Okay, what about the highlights, by the way, behind me? There are no obvious clouds, guys, right now, so that it's really hard to test the sky. But can I switch to the back camera using this phone? Absolutely, guys. Enjoy a very nice saturated yellow and green. It's getting autumn here in the place I live, so it's really cool. So that's 1x 0.7, guys. This is the ultra wide. All right, it's 0.7. It's very wide actually. So let me start running to test the ultra wide, and as I'm running I'm gonna go to 1x. Okay, 2x, guys. Again, it's a crop from the main sensor, and now 5x, the second telephoto camera, guys. How good is the 5x? And now I can also do 10x, which I guess is a crop from the 5x camera, and the max I can do is 15x. Okay, yeah, 15, not that bad. Back to the ultra wide. 1, 2, 5, 10. All right, now 0.7, guys. Let me try to do the zoom lens cycle as I'm doing this manually. Okay, yeah, not that bad. Okay, back to the ultra wide. Kudos for the guy who's training here. It's like 12C, 15C, good. 1x, 2x, 5x. Not that bad, guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Alright, we're looking for jitters, for stutters, for things that are not quite nice. Okay, 10x, and 15x is the max that I can do. Alright, that's 15x. Now back to 1x. Let me try start running again and test the stabilization. How close can I get to the objects? Okay. Yep, that's it, I guess. Autofocus. Hand 3. Hand 3. Hand 3. Okay. Because I have disabled the auto camera switching, guys, I cannot get too close, else I think it's gonna get down to the ultra wide. But the autofocus is enough. In terms of speed, I think it's, yeah, not that bad. Alright. 2x again. 5x again. Let's see what happens when I change between 1x and 5x, guys. There is a sudden color change which I don't like. But then it's got better. Probably not. Pay attention here. This is 1x. Check this green here, guys. 5x. It's a bit soft, and the green is, I guess, like the white balance is just a bit different. So the tuning isn't, I would say, quite okay. And it's all like 15x. That's a crop from the main camera. Let's go back to the ultra wide. Let's check the ultra wide. So ultra wide and 1. Oh, okay. Still the same thing happens, guys. When I go to the ultra wide, I have a feeling that the grass here gets kind of overexposed a bit. 1x can give me more noticeable details here. Pay attention. Ultra wide, like this thing here is almost like green with a deep green here. 1x. Totally nice. Oh, you can see my finger, okay? Ultra wide, 1x, ultra wide, 1x, and 5x. Okay, guys, it's gonna be interesting to also see the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. It has a brighter aperture on the telephoto camera. It uses a different sensor. This thing here uses the OmniVision. It's a light hunter, so I'm gonna put all the sensor details so that you will know. Honestly, not bad, guys. Let me know what you think down below. Alright, I'm gonna do also a panning like this. Right now I'm just rotating slowly 360. I want to see if the video is gonna be choppy or stuttery. But having 4K on the front and on the back, guys, isn't that bad at all. I remember the days when Xiaomi flagship phones were not able to do 4K 60 on the front camera. It was frustrating, by the way. What I don't like is the fact that when I go from the ultra wide to 1x, sometimes there's going to be this color change. All right, let's see here. All right, 0, 7, 1, 2, 5. Okay, all right, that's not a big issue anyway. And if you want to be on top of the Xiaomi 17 Pro content, you're more than welcome to check all my other videos. Xiaomi 17 Pro Max hopefully landing soon on my table, guys. And we're going to compare it. Stay safe.